let's go back to the commission code. The video is actually quite a hyped up sales video presentation, and normally when I come across videos like this with lots of hype and an anonymous voiceover artist reading it, it's normally not a good product. It's normally a very hypey CPA offer, and normally one I tell people to avoid. But this one is actually, it's another one of those done-for-you ClickBank systems where you get a complete done-for-you system set up, where you're learning how to build your email list and monetize that email list by promoting ClickBank products. So it really is a really cool way to get started with affiliate marketing. It's higher quality on the inside than the hype on the sales page suggests. And so you're basically going through the step-by-step method of affiliate marketing that actually does work in the internet marketing world. You're setting up squeeze pages or money pages where you drive traffic to by doing advertising on the internet. People will enter in their email address. It will be a page like this where people enter in their name and email address. You'll get done for you pages. This is a similar system I'm also using, and then they will be diverted to a sales video presentation once they've entered in their email address, and then they will be added to your email list. So it's a very simple process of driving traffic to a page, squeeze page, getting clicks to a affiliate sales page where you will earn commissions if sales are made, and then you're sending people back to your sales page over and over again via the email list you are building. And when you've got to the stage of having a couple of thousand people on your email list and being able to get daily clicks to any sales page you like, that's when you get to the stage of earning a full-time income online. And that's the process you're going through with the commission code. You get done for you lead capture pages that promote an affiliate offer, and you're building an email list, and then you can monetize that email list with the commission code affiliate offer on ClickBank and any other ClickBank or other affiliate promotions you want to promote. So this example page is from another very similar system called Click Wealth system. There's also other systems called 12-minute affiliate and also Profit 365, perpetual income 365. So there's lots of these type of done for you systems on ClickBank where they basically give you done for you affiliate marketing sales funnels, and that's what worked for me when I first got started. Is plugging into done for you affiliate marketing sales funnels, not trying to create the sales process myself, but plugging into a done for you system that already exists, doing marketing on the internet, which will be via my website, my YouTube channel, and email marketing. Solo ads is one of the email marketing methods they cover here. And then you're building your email list, and then that's when you can get to the stage of monetizing that list by sending clicks out to various different sales pages on ClickBank or any other affiliate network. This is a $9 trial followed by $47 per month, which is quite standard for these type of done for you systems. They normally have a trial offer, and then you pay monthly if you want to continue. So I'm not that keen on some of the hype on the sales page. However, once you get inside, you'll realize you're going through a done for you affiliate marketing system that you hook up to ClickBank and your GetResponse autoresponder account, and you'll be learning how to drive traffic on the internet, build your email list, and promote affiliate offers. And it's that same step-by-step approach which got me from struggling to earning full-time income online after a couple of years of struggling, was to focus on list building and sending traffic to done for you squeeze pages. So if you click the link below, click the link in the video description below to discover my current #1 online system to plug into right now. It's a complete done for you affiliate marketing system and a really excellent way to get started. So click the link below, click that link in the video description below to activate your system. All the best and speak soon.